That is the sad reality of rape, a crime that leaves behind invisible wounds deeper than the act itself. In Nigerian criminal law, rape is one of the gravest offences. It is often described as a crime of power and control. Despite its seriousness, it's one of the most underreported crimes due to the stigma associated with it. According to Women at Risk International Foundation, WARIF, Africa has the highest rate of child sexual abuse, which is around 34.4%. Also, findings from a national survey carried out in 2014 on violence against children in Nigeria confirmed that 1 in 4 females reported experiencing sexual violence. But what does it really mean, and the ingredients the prosecution must prove? Under Section 357 of the Criminal Code, rape is an unlawful carnal knowledge of a woman or a girl without her consent or with consent obtained by threat, force, intimidation, fear of harm, or fraud. Similarly, in Section 282 of the Penal Code, which applies to the northern parts of Nigeria, defines rape as a sexual intercourse against a woman's will without her consent or where consent is coerced. And it automatically applies where the victim is under 14 or of unsound mind. In the decided case of Taiwo against the state, rape was defined as an unlawful sexual intercourse with a female without her consent. To prove rape, the prosecution must establish certain elements. First, sexual intercourse. This is complete upon penetration. That means when the male organ reaches the labial minora. Ejaculation or rupture of the hymen isn't required. Under the Nigerian Criminal Code, it is only the male organ that can be used to commit rape. Thus, without penetration, the offence of rape has not been committed. This can be seen in the case of Timothy versus the state. Second, lack of consent. The prosecution must prove the absence of voluntary agreement. Submission out of fear or exhaustion does not mean consent. This as well can be seen in the case of Julius versus the state. And lastly, unlawfulness. Intercourse must be outside the bonds of marriage, except where divorce or separation removes implied marital consent. But the question is, who has the capacity to commit rape?